Hi, my name's Adam Duff. I'm the parts manager at Bane-Welker Equipment in Remington, Indiana. Today we're going to talk about cornhead preparedness as season approaches. Let's get into the common wear items on the Case IH and Gearinghoff cornheads. This is a snout piece for a Gearinghoff cornhead. The concept will be the same on the Case or the Gearinghoff. We want these to be smooth, so as we're running our snouts down on the ground, if we have downed corn, we can get underneath that corn and get it all picked up. To get it inside the cornhead, we want to keep these ear savers soft and pliable so that they are able to give and flex as the ear comes in, but not allow the ear to fall back down the gathering chains. Another key point that we want to look at is the gathering chains. We have our top drive sprocket and our lower idler sprocket. The best thing to do is pop your chain off, and especially on the idler sprockets, we can just grab a hold and spin, and as they spin and they're quiet, we know we've got a solid piece. On our gathering chains, as we've got them loose, we want to make sure we don't have a lot of fore and aft play in them. This is a new chain that's pretty solid. A loose chain will flop and allow to jump your sprocket and cause you all sorts of headache. One thing that you'll want to keep in mind as you go to your local parts department, you'll want to know whether it is a 6-lug or a 9-lug gathering chain, because that's going to be a question we're going to ask you. As we look at as we go back or down lower on the head, we have the knives that actually cut the stock. We want those to be beveled and sharp, and we want them, as they come together, just to barely miss. So we're not clattering metal on metal, but we want to cut our stock to the highest degree. As we talk about lubrication on the Case IH cornhead, most all models run a multi-purpose cornhead grease in their row units. We want to make sure those are full in order to eliminate any downtime. Then when we switch over to the Gearinghoff, they run an 80-90 non-synthetic oil that will fill each gearbox with. With that said, all of your Bane-Welker parts departments are well stocked on Case IH and Gearinghoff wear items. So see your parts department today to take advantage of any specials that may be going on. Thank you.